we're going to play just normal tones. Let's start from C. So play a tone forward to your right. Relax. A tone, play a tone from C. Play a tone. Another tone. Another tone. Another tone. A semitone. No, semitone forward. Keep going towards the right. Another semitone. A tone. A tone. A tone. A semitone. A tone. Okay. So let's go back. Let's go to F. Let's begin from F. F. Come back. F. Play the starting point. That's F. Start on F. A tone. Another tone. A semitone. A tone. Another tone. Another tone. A semitone. So what you are playing should sound like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So normally for a normal major scale you do the starting point. For example, if we are starting on F, you do the starting point and you move a tone and you move another tone. So start point, tone, tone, and then semitone. Keep that in mind. The starting point, a tone, tone, and then what? A semitone. Let's go to C sharp. The starting point is C sharp. Tone will bring me here. Another tone will bring me here. The semitone will bring me here. Good. So this makes the first four. So do, re, mi, fa. You get it. So if you can get the starting point, the two tones and the semitone, it will create do, re, mi, fa for you. Try this on any other key. Try it again. So what are you doing? Tell us what you are doing.
I'm playing the re, mi. Then I'm
So
using
where is
the-
your start? You are starting on F sharp.
Yes.
Then you move a tone, another tone, then a semitone. So that's correct. So do, re, mi, fa. That's how you play do, re, mi, fa in F sharp. So let's try in D. D, key D. D for dog. Do, re. Starting point, first tone.
First tone is
So that's the starting point, D. First tone.
first tone. So this is do, re, mi,
Nope.
do, re.
What is the formula? What is the formula? What formula are you using? You need to find first your starting point. Place your finger on the starting point.
This is the starting.
Then you now ask yourself, where is the tone away from the starting point?
This is
The first tone. Good. So you have two notes here. Keep your fingers on them. So this is the starting point and this is the first tone. Now add a second tone. Where would that second tone go to? So from here, so you are on D, you have arrived on E. From E, if you want a tone from E, where do we arrive at? Good. So starting point, first tone, second tone, yeah. Then you add the semitone. After the second tone, you add the semitone. Good. So let's play them all together. So starting point, first tone, second tone, semitone, another tone,
Another two.
another tone, a third tone, semitone. Good. So what the other part of the formula is, after you do the first semitone, you are going to continue with 3 additional tones and then you end with 1 semitone. So what do I mean by that? So you start on D, the starting point, first tone, second tone, semitone, then 3 tones will follow after that semitone. So let's do 3 tones
The 3 tones from here.
So the first tone, 1, 2, 3. Good. Then you end with a semitone. That's it. So it should sound like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So in D it will be starting point, tone, tone, semitone, and then continue with the 3 tones. Tone, 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 semitone. Good. So if you take a closer look, you realize that all the notes. This is how it looks like. This is a pattern for D. So that's a D major scale. Can you play them all together from the top? Starting point, two tones, semitone, three tones.
Where's that up here?
Yeah, start on D. So your starting point, yeah. First tone, second tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Excellent. Practice it again and let's see. When you are comfortable, you play it backwards. You play it in descending order. This time you are playing it in ascending.
So
So keep the
ascending
notes in
order.
mind. Yeah. Keep going. I like how you have played. Keep going.
I should keep going.
Yes.
From
Tone.
here go to here. Then from here down to here.
No. There are the three tones. So you've done the first one.
Yes.
First tone.
So this is the first one.
Second tone. Third tone. Semitone. Yeah. Tone. Tone. Semitone. Tone. No. Tone.
This
Tone
tone,
backwards.
semitone.
No, you're not doing semitone. You're doing tone backwards.
Tone backwards.
Yes. Yeah, and then a tone to arrive on the starting point.
Then semitone.
No, semitone will be here.
Semitone.
Yeah.
Tone.
Be on the semitone.
Then
Be on the semitone. And then a tone will be where?
the tone will be here.
No, that will be another semitone.
From here, this tone,
From here,
semitone. Another semitone.
No.
This is tone.
In the entire scale, we have only two semitones. One appears after the start two tones, and the first semitone occurs. Then three tones, and the last semitone. When you are coming back, you begin with a semitone and three tones. So the semitone will happen here, okay? And then you arrive on your, let's say, D flat. From here, you are calculating three tones backwards. Your first tone will be where? Well, will bring you where? B. Your second tone will bring you where? A. And your third tone will bring you where? G. Then you do a semitone. Then you do two tones. First tone, go. First tone and then second tone. That's all. So you can end here or decide to continue.
Semitone.
No, you don't do this. The moment you get to this, the mi, re, do. Remember the mi, re, do is always three tones.
Yes.
Mi, re, do. They are always tones apart. So that's just it. So